And then third is my own bed and my own independence. And yung walang nangungulit sa akin sa hospital na, kasi sa ospital, pag matutulog ka na, bibigyan ka ng night meds. Tapos niyan, gigisingin ka para mag-check ng vital signs. Halos automatic yan. I think lahat ng unit may ganyan. Parati ko naririnig yan sa mga pasyente ko. Pero as a patient, parang, oh my God, talagang give up na lang. Go. Kasi importante naman talaga yan. And then, after nan, meron pang morning meds and then breakfast. So talagang, ang hirap din talagang ma-ospital. Yung hindi ka makakatulog during, ng buong gabi. First of all, hindi mo na nga siya kama. Tapos, guguluguluhin ka pa buong gabi. So talagang those three things I appreciate after getting out of the hospital. Kaya sometimes really I think it's better to go home as early as you can so you can get better rest also. So pag alam mo na kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, pag alam na ng ospital kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, kung ano na yung trajectory mo, ano yung magiging regimen mo, I think tanggapin na natin na mas magandang gumaling sa bahay. Kasi mas marami kang, pag hindi mo naman kailangan na yung mga test and everything like that, pwede nang umuwi. Talagang feeling ko, those three things, food, walking, at saka stretching, and then yung sariling kama and sleep, like complete sleep. It was so nice. It was so nice. Kaya kayong mga healthy dyan, I think we should not take for granted those three things. I think we should enjoy life and hopefully hindi tayo magkasakit. Pero pag nagkasakit tayo, yun yung mga things na mamimiss natin lahat.